First, we need to export MySQL database to copy the data from the development machine to the server machine. To export MySQL database, we can use the MySQL Workbench application or using the command line. Let me show you how to export the database using a MySQL Workbench. Open MySQL Workbench here. Connect to the server. We are going to export the database bookstore.db server data export and choose our database for the bookstore website bookstore.db, and in the export options select the option export to self-contained file and check the two options create dump in a single transaction and include